Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt like Nestle. First, gather your ingredients, fresh milk, a good starter culture, and any sweeteners you prefer. Make sure all your equipment like pots and jars is perfectly clean and sanitized. For the best creamy texture, I recommend using whole milk, but low-fat options work well too for a lighter result. This preparation ensures a successful batch. Next, we'll heat the milk. Gently warm it to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius to eliminate any unwanted bacteria. Remember to stir continuously to prevent the milk from scorching at the bottom of your pot. After heating, let the milk cool down to between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range is crucial for the starter culture to thrive. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing your favorite music while you're cooking or just relaxing. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time to add your starter culture to the cooled milk. Mix it in thoroughly to ensure even distribution. Once combined, carefully pour the cultured milk into your clean jars, covering them loosely. The next step is incubation. Place your jars in a warm spot, maintaining a temperature of 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 to 8 hours. This allows the yogurt to thicken beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.